Welcome once again students. Today I am going to start the exercise 3.2. I have written the question number 1 here. Find x in the following figures. So here two figures are given there, A and B, and in both you are going to get the variable x. So for both the diagram you need to find the value of x. So here I am going to explain and give the complete solution of the question number 1. In the first diagram, A diagram, here you are going to get a triangle. Here it is a triangle, and here you are going to get that each and every side of the triangle is going to be extended. So here you are going to get the three angles, here x 125 degree 125. So in my previous video I had explained that what type of these three angles are here. These are the exterior angle. So once again you need to go for that previous video. There I had explained that what is the interior and exterior angle. So here you are going to get the three exterior angles are there, 125, 125x. So these are the exterior angles. So what will be the sum of the exterior angles for any polygon? I had explained that the sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. So here the sum of these three exterior angles equal to 360 degree. So here you will write solution, that is A part. So here you will write, we know that sum of exterior angles of any polygon that is equal to 360 degree. So sum of exterior angles of any polygon equal to 360 degree. In the A diagram, here it is three exterior angles are there. For the triangle you will get the three exterior angles. So here these are the three exterior angles. So their sum will be 360 degree. So here you will write 125 degree plus 125 degree plus x. Here three exterior angles are x, 125 and 125, and this sum equal to 360 degree. So 125 plus 125, 250 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. Then it shows that x equal to 250 will be transferred in the right side. So it will be 360 degree minus 250 degree. Here it shows that x equal to 110 degree. So here it is the value of the x value is 110 degree. So write the solution of the A part. The answer is x equal to 110 degree. Now students, I am going to explain the B part. In the B part you are going to get a polygon. How many sides are there? You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is a pentagon, and here you are going to get that in that pentagon each and every side is going to be extended. So here x 60, and here that angle is given 70 degree. So it means these are the exterior angles. So here you will get the 5 exterior angles, one is given x, and rest of the two are given 70 and 60 degree. So three angles are given there, but two angles is missing. But here you can find that angles also. Here what is the means of this symbol? It shows that here it is 90 degree. It shows that is the angle 90 degree. This symbol means it is 90 degree. So here it is a straight line if it is 90 degree. So what will be this angle? That is the linear pair of angles. So on a straight line you are going to get 180 degree. So if it is 90 degree, so it will be also 90 degree. Then 90 degree plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. So that angle is 90 degree. Here this symbol is given. What is the means of this symbol? It means that this angle is 90 degree. So now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here all the 5 angles are written there, and in that 5 angle one is the x, and you need to find the value of x. So students, here it is the pentagon, and these are 5 are the exterior angle. So it doesn't matter whatever the types of polygon is there, the sum of the exterior angle will be always 360 degree. Only sum of interior angles of the polygon will be changed, but sum of the exterior angle of any polygon, it is triangle, it is quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, whatever it will be, the sum of the exterior angle will be always 360 degree. It means the sum of these 5 angles will be 360 degree. So again it is the solution B. We know that sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Now here sum of all these 5 will be 360 degree. So here I am going to write x plus 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 90 degree plus 70 degree. So these are the 5 angles and their sum will be equal to 360 degree. So it shows that x plus, these are the numerical values, so you need to add zeros, 9, 7, 16, 16, 6, 22, 22 plus 9, 31. So 310 degree, that is equal to 360 degree. It shows that x equal to 310 will be transferred in the right side. So 360 degree minus 310 degree. Here it shows that x equal to 360 minus 310, 50 degree. So the value of x for the B diagram is 50 degree. So it is the solution of the B part. So now students, here I have written the question number 2. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides and 15 sides. So here question is given, that is, if a regular polygon is there and whose number of sides are 9, then you need to find each and every exterior angle. So students, first I am going to explain that how you will solve that question. Suppose that if you are having a polygon like that is the having 6 sides, so it is the hexagon, and if it is regular, it means each and every sides will be equal and each and every interior angles will be equal, like this. If you are going to extend that side, then you will get the exterior angles like this. So these are the exterior angles. So here these are exterior angles. So students, I had explained that in any polygon the sum of exterior angles is 360 degree. So if it is hexagon or pentagon, whatever type of polygon will be there, the sum of the exterior angle is fixed, that is 360 degree. If it is regular polygon, it means if it is regular polygon, then each and every exterior angles will be equal. So if six sides are there, then each and every 6 angles, exterior angles will be equal. Then what will be thus? Each and every exterior angle, the sum of all these 6 exterior angles will be 360 degree. Then each and every exterior angle will be 360 upon 6, like 60 degree. So here it will be 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, like that. So it means if regular polygon is there, then each and every exterior angles will be equal. So here I am going to solve that first. Then you can write, if for the first number of sides n equal to 9. Here 9 sides are there. Then measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon, that is equal to 360 upon n. Reason is that each and every exterior angles will be equal, and whatever the number of sides will be there, that much of exterior angles will be there. So if 9 sides are there, then 9 exterior angles will be there. So it will be, if you are going to measure each and every exterior angle, then each and every exterior angle will be 360 upon 9. It means n will be 9 here. So here you will write measure of each exterior angle of regular polygon having side 9, that is equal to 360 upon 9. Number of sides are 9, so 360 upon 9, that is equal to 40 degree. So here each and every exterior angle will be 40 degree. So that is the formula, students. Whatever the number of sides are given, if you are going to divide 360 by number of sides, then you will get each and every exterior angle. But the condition is that it should be regular polygon. Reason is that if regular polygon is there, then the each and every exterior angle will be equal. So in the same way, you need to find the second one. Now students, here it is given the question number 3. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? So here it is given that one regular polygon is there. The condition is given here, it is the regular polygon. So if a regular polygon is there and each and every exterior angle is 24 degree, it means each angle of the regular exterior angle of the regular polygon is 24 degrees. Then you need to find the number of sides. So in the previous question, one formula I had given. Suppose that if number of sides of regular polygon equal to n. Suppose that if the number of sides of a regular polygon equal to n, then each exterior angle of regular polygon equal to 360 upon n. That formula I had used in the previous question, so I am going to use the same formula in the question number 3rd. Each exterior angle of the regular polygon, here it is given that each exterior angle of that regular polygon is 24 degree. So here this value is given in the question, so 24 degree equal to 360 upon n. Here in the question each and every exterior angle is given, so I had written here 24 degree equal to 360 degree upon n. Now go for the cross multiplication, so 24 degree into n, it is equal to 360 degree. Yeah, it can be written as n equal to 360 degree upon 24 degree. So if you are going to divide it, it will be divided 24. So if you are going to divide, you will get 15. So the value of n is 15. And what is the n here? N is the number of sides. So here you can write number of sides of regular polygon equal to 15. So it is the answer of the question number 3rd. The number of sides of that regular polygon whose each and every exterior angle is 24 degree, that is equal to 15. So thank you students. Rest of the question I will discuss in the next video. So kindly write this solution in your fair copy.